Lucy high, Lucy sweet, Lucy sausage can't be beat.
Thank you.
You bite into it, this is what you see.
Don't forget, let me know when GQ comes out with my picture.
It's a crime.
Hey guys, today we're going to walk along the Feast of San Gennaro. It happens every September along Mulberry Street, so come along as we take a look. The feast runs for 11 days along Mulberry Street between Canal and Houston Streets and spills out onto neighboring intersections, including Grand Street.
What's up?
Zeppelis, or Italian donut holes, are fried dough dusted with powdered sugar. Zeppelis are one of the most popular Italian street desserts served at the feast. Danny on the corner Zeppeli stand is the sponsor of the first annual Zeppeli eating competition at the feast. The contest will be held on Wednesday, September 18th at 1 p.m. at the stage at Grand and Mott Streets. Danny Fratta has deep family roots in the feast, spanning back 4 generations, and is a member of the Feast of San Gennaro, a non-profit community organization that organizes and has presented the feast annually since 1996. This is watching the master at work.
That's pretty cool. Right? I'm the apprentice, like I said before.
Torrone is a non-perishable Italian nougat candy which is made using large amounts of whole almonds and filberts in a time-honored style that is practiced in the region of Benevento, Italy. Since there's no dairy in the candy, it packages and ships easily.
Let's make sure it's a quarter pound. Come on. Because in America, we're fair. There you go.
Right on the money.
You know your quarter pound. There you go. Hey.
This is the 93rd year for the Feast of San Gennaro. It would have been the 94th year, but they didn't have it on after September 11, 2001, so they skipped a year. So it's the 93rd year this year.
One, two, 1, 2, 3, go. Who's it gonna be? Oh, here you go. It's the race. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Number 11!
How many, guys?
Alright, listen, you know how old Vinny's at. Alright? You guys want that one. Usually I try from that. Hallelujah.
The Feast of San Gennaro in Little Italy is a salute to the patron saint of Naples, San Gennaro, and is the longest and most popular street fair in New York City, anticipated to bring in 1 million tourists and New Yorkers this year. The feast dates back to 1926 when Neapolitan immigrants wanted to continue the September 19th feast observed back home. There are many Italian food vendors, and we stopped at some of our favorites.
Don't forget, let me know when GQ comes out with my picture.
You got it, baby. So how many years have you been here, Santa?
About 15.
Oh, wow.
Thinks she's taking a video.
The same owner who operates Gigi's Grilled Italian Specialty Stand also sells fried calzones, zeppelis, and other fried treats directly across the street at Sophia's. And what are these giant things?
Those are fried calzones.
Oh my God, okay. We're fried heaven over here.
Yeah. I would definitely say the rainbow cookies are definitely a huge hit because no one ever seen that.
Oh, that's the rainbow cookie in there? Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
When you bite into it, this is what you see.
Oh, wow.
Right? So it's pretty cool. And not that many people hear of fried rainbow cookies.
No, this is the first I've heard
Yeah.
of it. So what's the process here? So you gotta dip them first?
Just gotta dip them in and drop them in the oil.
Have you ever had one of these?
Of the Zeppelis, not a fried Oreo. Oreos, yes. Fried?
This is like the candy of the feast.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you can't come here without having a little bit of this.
This isn't the place for calorie counters.
Oh, God, no.
Really good. I'm sure I powdered sugar all over me. Got some spotted some fries. Italian sausage booths do a brisk business during the feast. Italian sausage is a style of pork sausage that is either sweet or hot. Recipes vary slightly, but generally include a seasoning of salt, pepper, garlic, and fennel seeds. The addition of hot red pepper flakes and paprika in the seasoning mix make the sausage hot rather than sweet.
Yes! You want a mozzarella
How many cannoli do you think you sell a day?
I never get the time to count.
Who's next? Who's next?
Ferrara's was the sponsor of this year's annual cannoli eating contest, which was held on Friday, September 13th. Good, some vanilla cannolis.
You got it?
Yeah. These are lobster tail.
Lobster tail.
So that's the chocolate cannoli. Thank you.
Thank you.
You want a cigar?
No, here.
Here. Who's next? Step up. Thank you. Yeah, she did. It's so good. I didn't really right there.
Thank you. Thank you. Have it over. Thank you. Thank you. Have it over.
Somehow I get it. If I had it in my power for someone like me.
The guy, like, he did it.
What did you talk for the little guy right here?
Like rock hunting.
Besides the innumerable food stands, games of chance are scattered throughout the feast, and there are rides for kids and adults.
Ladies, I got the balls. You're ready to get your balls. That's right. Got the balls. Grab your balls. Hot, steamy, saucy balls for your consideration.
I gotta take a look.
It's like 5 bags at $2. How can we help you?
You ever heard of all
Mulberry Street Cigar Company was founded in 1999 and is known for its hand-rolled line of cigars. That's it, finito, right?
All marshals, back to the trailer. All marshals, back to the trailer. All marshals, back to the trailer.
You know, that's
fried clams, Cheech.
Umberto's Clam House has been in business since 1972 on Mulberry Street and became famous for its celebrity clients and its signature clam dish with its hot red clam sauce.
Hot and sweet, good to eat. Who's next? Step up. We make the best in the feast.
You like hot peppers? Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we make the best. Walk on by, you won't eat good. They try to compete, but we can't be beat. Lucy high, Lucy sweet, Lucy sausage can't be beat. Who's next? Step up.
You can choose to sit down and relax and have an Italian meal at many of the restaurants which line the feast route. They have all set up dedicated tables with waiter service outside of their physical restaurant location.
Oh, that's una buena. Oh, we got a winner, number 3 is the lucky winner.
She will never go up to Harlem, driving away love for, and she won't. The lady, that's why the lady is a tramp.
I see the restaurant.
The central focus of the feast takes place every September 19th, the official Saint Day, when a celebratory mass is held at the Shrine Church of the Most Precious Blood on Baxter Street. Mass is followed immediately by a religious procession in which the statue of San Gennaro is carried from its permanent home at the church through the streets of Little Italy.
Sorry, we're getting I think
Tomato, maybe tomatoes not, maybe red. Today I cook it for you.
Hey guys, we had a great day today at the Feast of San Gennaro, the 93rd Feast of San Gennaro. So much food and fun, games, rides, more food, lots of fun. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our food tour along the Feast of San Gennaro in the Little Italy in Manhattan. If you love Italian food, please click the link to check out our Little Italy food tour video, where we visit many generational, independently owned food businesses in Little Italy. And our East Village Taste of Italy food tour, where we visit local independently owned Italian shops in the East Village neighborhood. Please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share it if you like it. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Hunde!